How to change your address after making an order on Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make changes with the address after making an order. In order to make changes with the address, first of all, you need to launch your Amazon application. For that, open up a web browser, or you can also log in from your application itself. If you're using a web browser, on the web address bar, you'll need to type in amazon.com, and this is going to direct you to the official web page of Amazon. Make sure that you're already logged into your account. As soon as you're logged in, you need to go to return and orders. Right over here, you'll be able to see the product that you've recently ordered or that you've recently placed an order. So what you need to do is you need to select the particular item for which you want to make changes with the address. So click on the order. After that, you'll be taken to the edit info page where you can make changes with the information. After that, for the confirmation, sometimes you might be asked to provide in a verification code or an OTP, or you might also receive a confirmation call. All you have to do is respond to it according to the instruction provided, and that is how you can make changes with your address after making an order. However, this feature is only available in some cases. Apart from that, you'll not be able to make changes with the address, or if it is emergency, you'll have to contact the customer support team, or else you need to cancel the product and then you can reorder it once again with an updated information. Now, the changing address feature is only available if the product has not yet shipped or not yet delivered. Only then you'll be able to make changes. So that is basically how you can change address on Amazon after making an order. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.